Selamünaleyküm everyone, welcome to Olcay Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today I'm gonna mention about my top 3 favorite villa projects in our region, Sapanca and Kocaeli, in our beautiful country of Turkey. So the first one is located in brand new properties which are located in Sapanca. This properties, what is the most advantage of this properties? First of all, price efficiency, because these properties are starting from the 295,000 US dollars. Also at the same time you can evaluate the properties for your citizenship program to by multiple purchasing of property too. Price efficiency, luxury, brand new, breathtaking scenery, and suitable for citizenship too. So let's keep it up to number 2. And the second one is again located in Sapanca. We have real spacious brand new villa. Yes, I know this architecture design seems similar like the previous one because it was built from the same company too. Again for this property, price efficiency on top level, because owner of this property is a foreigner investor, and I told you on the previous videos the foreigner investors are not reflecting real up-to-date prices when they are selling their properties. Let me explain in that way. Similar villas are on the market over here for 407,000 US dollars. Right over here, price of this property is 350,000 US dollars. Now we consider difference of 120,000 US dollars. Believe me, you are getting a lot of benefit. But I have to mention that this property is not suitable for the getting citizenship, but you can evaluate this property for getting residence permit at Turkey too, and also return of investment when you're selling this property. It's going to be very beneficial for you. It's time to have a look at the first property. Alright, this one is amazing. This is my top favorite project in our management. These villas had settled up in city of Kocaeli at Kartepe region. You should know that Kartepe is one of the most touristical place in Turkey too, especially if you are interested with the sports winters too. This property can be very suitable choice for you, but expected items, look at that. We have unique architectural design over here, just single floor villas which is settled up in very big lands. Just usage area of this garden is more than 1,000 square meters. Can you imagine? You have more than 1,000 square meters usage area just for the garden. As additional, we have 420 square meters usage area inside the building. All the materials are the first quality. Concept is amazing. It has breathtaking mountain nature view, and when I consider the price list, it is also on the market with very good price. It is just 620,000 US dollars. A little bit negotiation is available, and this property as itself is more than enough for getting citizenship. This is my dream property. When I see myself at the future of my retirement with huge family, that will be great to have that kind of properties. I hope that you enjoy what you saw on the video. Please do not forget to make a comment on below which one is your most favorite. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.